And right out the bag, it feels super premium, really durable. That's because it's made of some polyfiber ripstop. That means it's gonna be really lightweight. And so this is the Daylite Carry-On Wheeled 40-liter bag. Let's take a closer look at it and see why I picked this one up specifically. So let's get a proper measurement on it here while it doesn't have any contents in it. When I squeeze the sides in like this, it looks to me like it squeezes down to 14.5, no less than 14 inches. And from the end of the wheel right here to the tip of the bag over here, it looks to be no less than 8 inches from my perspective. And at its shortest, when I stand it up right here, it looks to me like it's probably 22.5 inches tall. One key feature would be the extending handle right here, and that really does extend out quite easily. And it only has one locking point. And that brings its maximum height to what I'd say is about 41.75 of an inch. These are really thick and durable. It feels like really strong wheels. Nice bearings too. You know, I don't want it to spin too freely. It doesn't need to be like a skateboard, but it feels like it's got a high quality system going on right here. We've also got this neat little support stand right here that allows it to stand up on the wheels like this when you're rolling it around. That's nice. Up near the handle up here, we've got a zippered compartment that has an ID case right here, but it also has a little convenient storage case where you could maybe put some things that you really need quickly during your travels. And I like these Osprey style zippers right here. Not only could you put like a lock right here to lock your zippers together, but I also like the little rope that it's connecting to the actual zipper because these feel like they're not going to break. It feels like a nice strong rope, and the zipper itself seems really tough. It seems larger than other zippers, and it has a smaller gap back here, so this thing's not going to slip out. You can see it zips fairly easily as well because it's got big durable zipper teeth and not a lot of material right here that looks like it's going to get stuck and in the way like a lot of zippers do sometimes on luggage. And over here on the side, you can see we've got another zippered compartment. You could easily fit some shoes in here, something like that. We also have a handle here to pick up the bag like it's a suitcase. Seems really strong and sturdy, really high quality stitching, and that is a nice strap right there too. And our final zippered compartment right here is going to lead to our backpack straps here. They're simply kept together with this Velcro here. The backpack straps themselves feel like that strap that you could pick it up with as well. However, they're much thicker up here around the shoulders, so that'll be really nice for comfort when you're carrying it around like that. And down here they have these plastic hooks with these metal clips right here. You just strap it into the bottom of the bag like that, and it hangs onto that loop right there, and you can use it as a backpack. So let's see what I can actually fit in it and see how big it is once stuff is actually inside it. See if it's still going to be a carry-on piece of luggage. And you'll see down here that you got these two rails, so I'm gonna take some smaller things and put them in like this. 4 pairs of underwear fill that middle rail, a scarf fills the outer rail, and a long sleeve shirt fills the inner rail. Then I can throw in a jean jacket, my khaki jeans, I'll put the shoes on bottom, throw in athletic pants, shorts, swim trunks, a book for my daughter, a book for myself, an e-reader, and we still have plenty of room to put stuff down here if I wanted to add anything extra. Same thing over here, plenty of room up here, but I'm just gonna throw on this towel and see how well that all fits right there, because that's enough for one carry-on bag for me. Zips up really easily and it compresses down a little bit too, so that's going to save space while we're traveling with it. Now in terms of how we actually move the bag around, there is that grip that I mentioned right here to pick it up with. Seems nice and sturdy even when it's nice and loaded, but I like how tall this arm comes up right here. It's well above my waist. I'm 6'1" and I'm mostly legs, so that's a good height for me. It's going to make this easy to move around and manipulate. Even while you're walking and dragging it, it's still a good height for me like this. I don't have to drop a shoulder to pick it up like some bags. And I love how easy it is to simply just pull out these backpack straps, attach them down to those little loops right there, and then you can just pick up this bag and throw it on your back, and you can carry it around like this. And if you found this review helpful, please let me know by hitting that little thumbs up button right down there. I really appreciate it.